Chandigarh Group of Colleges, CGC, is a leading educational group in North India, providing diverse technical and professional education. Established in the year 2001, CGC has achieved an exponential student growth, from a mere 100 students in 2001 to more than 7,000 students at present at Landra and Ghadua campuses. Committed to the progressive objective of guiding students through their career and making them globally employable professionals, CGC imparts holistic education, where the outcome is a blend of independent thinking, strong domain knowledge, contemporary skills, competence, positive attitude, and adaptability. Established under the guiding values of leadership, innovation, dedication, and hard work, CGC envisions emerging as a centre for excellence in technical education, research, development, consultancy, and allied disciplines to suitably equip students for successful careers through quality and value-based education. Setting new benchmarks in the education domain, today CGC is the most preferred college among meritorious students, with 100% occupancy of seats. Visionaries of Chandigarh Group of Colleges. Dynamic and enterprising educationists, Mr. Satnam Singh Sandhu, Chairman, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, and Mr. Rashpal Singh Dhaliwal, President of the group, have escorted CGC under their dynamic leadership to attain the peak position in technical education. It is for their relentless effort in providing quality education and achieving best placement opportunities for the students that a large number of MNCs and major Indian companies recruit from the CGC campus every year.
Professional education with friendly and caring management, that's the first thing that comes to my mind when I think of Chandigarh Group of Colleges.
Wider than dreams career choices. In the sprawling and beautifully landscaped campuses of Landra and Ghadua, CGC houses state-of-the-art colleges offering a multitude of career options in the leading streams of engineering, computer applications, management, pharmacy, biotechnology, hospitality, multimedia, and more. Duly approved by state and central government agencies, the group colleges include NBA accredited Chandigarh Engineering College, CEC. Chandigarh Engineering College is the first engineering college in the northern region and among the top 25 private colleges in India to have achieved NBA accreditation.
CEC has been granted accreditation for a record maximum possible period of 5 years by NBA, Government of India, New Delhi. This has made CEC one of the few topmost colleges of the country. I am sure with the type of input efforts that we are making here, the students' dreams will definitely come true.
Enter self-contained learning landscape. Infrastructural academic features. CGC is upbeat with advanced tools, technologies and resources to offer inventive learning opportunities to its students. The distinguishing academic features at CGC are highly qualified and experienced faculty from reputed institutions, regular faculty development programs, FDPs, emphasizing on research work, a completely Wi-Fi enabled campus, state-of-the-art computerized libraries, spacious and well-lit e-classrooms, high-tech laboratories and training centers. winning edge, learning process and achievements galore. CGC employs an interactive learning process to enable students to develop a sound understanding of the subject and fetch top positions in the university merit lists. Not only in academics, our students are winners in the sports arena as well. With ample encouragement in terms of cash incentives and awards, the students of CGC bag nearly all major prizes in inter-college competitions every year. Out-of-the-box learning, self-development initiatives. At CGC, the students get additional lessons from the out-of-the-class interactive exposure through various student development initiatives. These initiatives include Milestone College Magazine, interactive vocational and professional clubs, annual cultural events, NSS, Earn While You Learn, live projects, Entrepreneurship Development Cell, Student Counseling Program, comfortable living facilities on campus, a home away from home, separate and well-furnished hostels for boys and girls accommodating more than 3,000 students. Indisputable strength, the placements. CGC has an enviable placement record, with leading multinationals recruiting our students every year. As a regular practice, CGC conducts campus placement drives round the year, wherein students are offered multiple opportunities in their respective study areas. Partial list of leading recruiters at CGC campus. The placements of the students are taken care of by an independent corporate resource center at the campus. The CRC manages effective corporate institute interface and works towards training students in skills required for placements like resume writing, communication skills, written tests and interviews. Connecting to the world of learning and opportunities, collaborations and tie-ups. Endeavouring to provide a global platform of education to its students through multiple collaborations with various foreign universities and corporates, CGC takes the lead in offering the international edge to education. Collaboration with foreign universities. CGC has entered into comprehensive collaborations. The collaborations with these universities provide for free exchange of faculty and students to carry out higher studies, research work, consultancy projects, and explore overseas placement opportunities. Strategic tie-ups.
We put in our best efforts to prepare our students for their ultimate placements in their respective fields. Our interaction with the industry is very strong and we ensure that live projects are granted to the students by the leading corporate houses. Come and join us in case you wish to be a leader in your field.
Spreading education, social responsibility. As a leading educational group, CGC takes it as a responsibility to spread education and social awareness through various welfare endeavours. So far, the social welfare programs of CGC include set up of a charitable school for underprivileged children, sponsoring resources for Project Pariyas Quark, adoption of schools in interiors of Punjab, rejuvenation of allotted areas in Chandigarh, tree plantation drives, automation of processes to become a paperless organization, blood donation camps, awareness programs on social evils, AIDS, swine flu, etc. Integrating expansion, CGC Ghadua. Taking the stride of expansion, the Chandigarh Group of Colleges has launched a new sprawling tech-savvy campus at Ghadua, Mohali. The Ghadua campus is the first integrated campus of Punjab to provide students with quality, value-based education. This campus, set up on the pattern of IITs, will offer undergraduate and postgraduate professional education with state-of-the-art infrastructure, taking the legacy of CGC forward. Chandigarh Group of Colleges serves as the right platform for world-class education and global opportunities. Take the call of perseverance, sincerity, integrity, and most importantly, discernment towards shaping your career. Kickstart your career at Chandigarh Group of Colleges and get prepared for a bright future in an out-of-the-box way.